On this channel, I really want to be able to give you any sort of advice that can help you along in your life. I know a lot of times it's very hard, especially when you're younger, because you're just at the start. So, one suggestion I wanted to make, I hope I can say this clearly, is I really want you to do what you think in your heart is good on a moral level. I think that, maybe when you're younger, maybe you don't have people in your life who love you, or maybe you do and you just don't notice it, or they're hard on you because they themselves haven't had enough life experience and knowledge to understand how important you are. But there may come a time in the future where you will realize that people love you and care for you. Um, uh, when it gets to that point, if you've been a kind of person who's been really rebelling or lashing out, maybe you're negligent in your life, you kind of waste your life, it'll hurt the person who cares about you. And there are some good people in the world who will let themselves get hurt to help other people. I just don't want you to regret that. So, just a small note, I would like you to try your best to be morally good, work hard, be earnest, because you don't want to hurt the people who are hurting just to help you. I hope that makes sense. I wish someone told me that when I was younger.